Using the right words, boost your Cambridge exam score. Hello, language learners. Today, we'll delve deep into one of the crucial elements that can significantly enhance your answers in the Cambridge English exams: using appropriate vocabulary and structures. So, whether you're aiming for AB1 or AC2, this guide is going to be a game changer for you. You might wonder, why focus on vocabulary and structure? Here's why. 1. Accuracy. Accurate usage of words ensures your ideas are clear and easily understood. 2. Richness. A varied vocabulary can make your answer more interesting and engaging. 3. Marks. Both vocabulary and grammatical accuracy account for a significant portion of your score. Remember, it's not about using fancy words, but the right words at the right time. Boosting your vocabulary is more than just memorizing words. Here's how you can do it. 1. Contextual learning. Always learn a word in context. For example, instead of just memorizing arduous, remember it as climbing the mountain was an arduous task. 2. Synonyms. For every word you learn, try to learn at least one synonym. This will give you options during the exam. 3. Usage in sentences. Regularly practice using new words in sentences to reinforce your understanding. Structural proficiency means constructing sentences that are grammatically correct and contextually appropriate. Here's how. 1. Start simple. Begin with simple sentences and gradually move to complex ones. 2. Practice different forms. Work on active versus passive, direct versus indirect, statements versus questions, and other forms. 3. Error correction exercises. They help identify common mistakes and rectify them. On the test day, here's what you can do. 1. Read questions carefully. Understand what's being asked to provide an accurate answer. 2. Plan before writing. Think of the vocabulary and structures you wish to use. 3. Review. After answering, review for any obvious vocabulary or structural mistakes. And there you have it, dedicated learners. Remember, while vocabulary and structure are vital, it's the clarity of thought and expression that truly matters. Practice diligently, keep refining your language skills, and you'll surely ace your Cambridge English exam. Happy learning!